by Heather Cheney, Cindy Johnson, and Jenny Dulce taking on animal rights. Animal rights activists say laboratories often use stolen pets. They also claim laboratories keep animals in dirty, overcrowded cages and cruelly inflict pain on them. When we heard about this, we had to go see for ourselves. So we decided to visit the University of Utah laboratories. The university's animals were kept in clean, roomy cages with plenty of food and water, and the staff was really nice to them.
Stolen pets were not used in the experiments, but they did buy unclaimed strays at $20 each from pounds. Our tour guide Raymond Cope told us that the lab would not accept animals from owners that were tired of their pets. The animals there even had toys to play with. One pig had a bowling ball. The monkeys watched TV or played Nintendo.
There are a lot of animal rights and laws, and here's a few.
The first one is Animal Damage Control Act. It directs the Secretary of Agriculture to conduct investigations, experiments, and tests. The second one is the Animal Welfare Act. It authorizes the Secretary of Agriculture to promulgate standards to govern the humane handling, care, treatment, and transportation by dealers, research passengers, and exhibitors.
Third is the Endangered Species Act. It authorizes the Secretary of Interior to promulgate lists of species which are endangered or threatened and designate critical habitats to such animals. Fourth is the Export Administration Amendments Act of 1985. It provides that no horse may be exported by sea from the United States or any of its territories or possessions unless such horse is a part of consignment with respect to which a wayfarer has been granted by the Secretary of Commerce.
The fifth is the National Housing Act. It prohibits owners or managers of federally assisted rental housing for the elderly or handicapped to restrict or discriminate against any person in connection with admission to or continued occupancy of such housing by reason of the presence of such pet. The Secretary of Housing and Urban Development, the Secretary of Agriculture are authorized to issue regulations establishing guidelines under which housing owners or managers may prescribe reasonable rules for the keeping of pets, including restricting pet size and types of pets. Owners or managers may require the removal of pets duly determined to constitute a nuisance or threat to health or safety. The sixth is the Antarctic Conservation Act of 1978. It makes it unlawful for any United States citizen, unless authorized by the Director of the National Science Foundation, to engage in commerce in any native animal or native bird taken in Antarctica.
7 is the Bald Golden Eagle Protection Act. It makes it a crime to possess, buy, sell, or transport any bald or golden eagle, alive or dead, or any part, nest, or egg thereof. The Secretary of Interior may issue regulations authorizing expectations for the science exhibition purposes of public museums, scientific societies, or zoological parks for life or agricultural or other interests in any particular locality. And 8 is the 28-hour law, which was enacted in 1906. It is also known as the Cruelty to Animals Act, the Livestock Transportation Act, and the Food for Rest Law. It regulates the transportation of animals across the state lines by railroad or water, but not by motor vehicle or aircraft. confinement of animals in railroad cars, boats, or vessels of any description for a period longer than 28 consecutive hours without unloading in the same humane manner. And to properly equipped pens, to rest, water, and feeding for a period of at least 5 consecutive hours, unless prevented by storm or other accidental or involvable causes. The law contains 3 exceptions. 1, upon written request of owner or person in custody of a shipment, or the period of confinement may be extended 36 hours. 2, sheep may be confined for up to 36 hours if the 28